Topic of our today's presentation is how to make a school improvement plan, the importance of school improvement plan. First, we will write mission and vision. Our vision is to provide a quality education and develop responsible citizens. Our mission is to ensure academic excellence, innovation, and a safe learning environment. Next is objectives, defining the SAFE, identify the SAFE, describe teams in development of SAFE, explain cyclic procedures followed in entire procedure, prepare a SAFE to improve the academics. School improvement plan is a roadmap that sets out changes school needs to improve the level of the students' achievement and shows how and when these challenges will be made. Next, and the purpose school enable the school to become more effective as an institution of learning, take responsibility in addressing the problem areas and guide the school towards the development. School improvement plan of a school, our 1 year school improvement plan of our school is a roadmap that sets out reforms which needs to improve the school improvement plan, guides and helps principal, vice principal and teachers to inquire the present position. It helps evaluate that what should be done for the further and how it will improve our future. Participant school improvement plan, principal, VP, section head, teachers, students and parents are all the participants of the school improvement plan. SIP team includes the school planning and the management team, teachers in the sport team, student staff team. Next is the improvement plan. Next is the data collection is based on short-term objectives, long-term objectives, and the success criteria. Here is a example of a school improvement plan, section 1, where we have administration, school physical environment, infrastructure and quality check, school physical environment and security, objectives, short-term objectives, long-term objectives, success criteria that has to be written at the start of the year. Next is the school teacher administration, school physical environment. They have to school ethos and the co and extracurricular activities will be included in the school improvement plan. Next, B, how to improve the school ethos, climate and the culture. What first was the administration structure. Next is to build the school ethos. What are the objectives for the 1 year? What are the short-term objectives? What are the long-term objectives? And what are the success criteria school wants at the end of the uh, session. Next is the academics, scheduling, planning, teaching, learning, notebook, assessment, and examination. This will also be included at the start for making the SIP. Next, here is the section 2, teaching and the learning. Junior section, if the school is the middle, junior and middle section, will be the teaching methodologies will be followed, short term and long term objectives, what kind of notebooks will be provided to the students, and what are the expectations at the end of the year. Steps to make a good SIP. Now it's time we know we have to discuss the SIP, what things we need in the SIP. So the steps, SWOT analysis, action plan, time frame, improvement, and educate, evaluate at the end. Next is the mission to take the good GPA. What are the findings? And last is the recommendations. SWOT is also a part of a good school improvement plan where the school shows its strengths, weaknesses, threats, and opportunities. Next are priorities like curriculum delivery, school environment, teachers, students and staff, parental environment. These are the priorities of any school improvement plan. Next, action plan. What is the aim, purpose, objectives and strategies are included in the action plan. Time frame is given any school improvement plan as a 1 year. Implementation procedure. Now it comes how to implement the school improvement plan, planning, define the goals and the priorities, allocate resources and budget, assign responsibilities, phase 2 execution, begun infrastructure projects, conduct teacher training programs, launch academic improvement initiatives. Next, monitoring school improvement progress. Monthly progressive report review the completed activities, monitoring committee, administrative committee, academic committee, discipline and cleanliness committee. Next, and under monitoring and evaluation framework, performance indicators are the KPIs, where the students' enrollment growth, academic results, and GPA, attendance rates, teacher training participation, infrastructure completion percentage. Regular reporting on the monthly reports, quarterly reviews, annual education parts, and success indicators. Success indicators are the increased admissions, enhanced school facilities, better student engagement, improved teacher performance. Conclude, the school improvement engage management team has a vision of how to grow, improve, and objective our goal. The school improvement plan has aimed at leading the whole school community in the direction of improvement and growth by overcoming all the gray areas. I hope you like the presentation. Allah Hafiz.